Welcome to Tech Help. In this video, we are going to talk about candlestick patterns course. This is video number 4. If you have not watched past 3 videos, please watch 3 videos and come to 4 video. It will be very easy to understand all the concepts. And I request everyone, please subscribe my channel and promote our channel for more videos, more techniques. It will be very helpful for your trading career. So already we have spoken about what is candlestick and how it works, how a trader psychology is going to work in terms of candles. All these things we have spoken already. Today in this video we are going to see how candlesticks are drawn, how to draw a candle, how systematically candlestick is constructed. When a candle is constructed, there should be a logic behind that. That logic we are going to break in this session. Let us now look at how candles are drawn. Right side you can see 2 candles. Okay, anyway I am not going to tell that. This is like a complete theoretical part, and next slide we will see in the same video. Next slide we will see the candlestick. Now I will explain you one by one, and I will make you to understand all the things. You need 4 prices or price parts to draw a single candlestick. Considering an example of daily candlestick, you need these following 4 things, like high price of the day, low price of the day, opening price of the day, and closing price of the day. Using these 4, we can construct a candle. We can construct multiple candles by using multiple time ranges. So my request is, try to understand the logic, then only it will be very easy to move forward for further sessions and to understand further sessions. The 2 parts of the candles are, one is the body and another one is shadows. Okay, understanding these 2 is very important. Okay, on the basis of body and shadow, the complete our candlestick pattern is going to run. So you must have to understand this logic. When it comes to body, this is the part between the open and the close. In case of the opening price is lower than the closing price, the color of the body is green. In almost all the trading platforms we can see green. Okay, some other platforms we can see white, and vice versa. When the day's opening price is higher than the closing price, the color of the body is red. So try to understand here. When opening price is lower than the closing price, the color of the body is green. We are talking only about body. When the day's opening price is higher than the closing price, then the color of the body is red. So I hope you got some idea about the body, how the body is constructed, how the body is working. Now we will see the shadow. The upper shadow is the line above the body and the lower shadow is the line below the body. Try to understand here. The upper shadow is the line above the body and the lower shadow is the line below the body. In the case of a red-bodied candle, the upper shadow is from the day's opening price to its high price, and the lower shadow is from the closing price to the low price of that day. Vice versa, in the case of green-bodied candle, the upper shadow is between the closing price and the high price of the day, and the lower shadow is between the opening price and the low price of the day. Up to now we talked about the shadow. This is how we have to understand the shadows. Okay, I will repeat once again. I will try to make you guys very clear. When it comes to shadows, the upper shadow is the line above the body, and the lower shadow is the line below the body. Okay, this is very clear. In the case of red-bodied candle, the upper shadow is from the day's opening price to its high price, and the lower shadow is from the closing price of the low price that day. Vice versa, in the case of green-bodied candle, the upper shadow is between the closing price and the high price of the day, and the lower shadow is between the opening price and the low price of the day. You can see here just candles. Okay, try to understand the green candle and red candle. We discussed about bodies, like the candles colors will be the same. Okay, only body colors is going to change. Already we talked about body color, how it is going to change. If you see here, okay, the body color, we have green and red. I will try to make you guys understand here. Okay, you can understand very clearly here. In the case of day's opening price is lower than the closing price, the color of the body is going to be green. You can see here all the green color. Okay, here the time frame is going to come to the picture. That part we are going to see. Just try to understand what is green and what is red. When the day's opening price is higher than the closing price, the color of the body is red. Okay, this is very clear. And when it comes to shadows, the upper shadow is the line above the body, and the lower shadow is the line below the body. You can see here, this is the upper shadow and this is lower shadow. If you come here, if you see, this is upper shadow and this is the lower shadow. Okay, these things I want you to understand clearly. I hope now you are able to understand how these candles are constructed, how body is constructed, and how shadows are constructed. Only we can see these two kind of candles. One is a red color and another one is a green color. Some other platforms we can see green as white and this red as black. So you can consider in that way also. To make it very clear, okay, without having any confusion, just consider green and red, and then it will be very easy. So we will be having green and red. If you see like Zerodha platform, any other platforms, even Google finance, any other charts, you can see only these kind of candles. So I hope you have understand this concept now, and what is the upper line and what is the bottom line and what is body, what is red and what is green, all these things. I hope you got a fair idea. Please, I request everyone, please subscribe the channel and promote our channel and try to gain more skill in terms of trading. Without having knowledge, it is very difficult to survive in trading field. It is very difficult to gain continuous profits. So if you are able to learn these complete topics, complete candlestick patterns, then it will be very easy for you to understand. It will be very easy for you to make good gains. So build your confidence levels and keep more time, watch again and again and try to understand the logic. A lot of people requested for these versions, and that too without any premium version. I'm releasing this in YouTube. And if you guys are interested to learn technical analysis course, you guys always welcome to join my online course. It will be grateful for you. It will be helpful for you to understand and to get more strategies on stock market. And thank you for all for watching this video. Please watch next video to understand about candlesticks reading and other things. Thank you all.